How to turn on automatically translate comments. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on automatically translate comment to a language on a live video. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on the TV icon or the video icon up there and choose one of those videos. Let's go to live videos. For example, this one. All I need to do is click on those 3 points and now click on those 3 points and you're gonna find after report live video, you're gonna find turn on comment translation to translate comments automatically. And now if you go to this video, you're gonna find that comments has translate automatically. Now you can choose the language you want the comments to translate into by click on a language here and choose language and fixed language settings on your phone in here. And this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.